Well, kung if it's the question is, will it go through the process? Sa tingin ko, it will go through the process. It has to, no? Wala kaming choice, di ba? It has to go through the process of impeachment. Meaning, aabot talaga to sa either sa Committee on Justice or depende na rin kung anong botohan sa Committee on Justice.
Pero,
Sige,
hindi,
go ahead.
ano lang, no, follow up pero kasi kahit na isang member niya na, to think critical rin ito ng administrasyon. Sabi ni Congressman Elise, ngayon pala nakikita niya parang wala nang form at saka substance.
Formless
As early
and
as
vague.
now, ano ba ang reaction niyo dyan?
Although hindi ko nakita physically yung complaint, all I can see is yung mga pinapost sa social media. No, but siguro it's too early naman to prejudge kung anong laman ng complaint. Ang best siguro course of action is really to let it go through the course, no? Para at least makita din natin anong appreciation ng ibang members kung tama ba yung form, tama ba yung substance, bago nila pagdesisyonan kung ipagpatuloy ba o hindi.
Kung sabi nyo nga, too early to judge, no? Pero ano po yung magiging standard or legal standards na babasehan po natin to judge kung talagang ito ay valid, ito ay admissible?
Well, as far as form is concerned, dapat verified siya, no? So meaning it should be verified. Second, yung substance naman, dapat yung mga allegations may ebidensya naman, no? It must be clear and convincing din na nag-constitute siya ng impeachable ground. Yun ang sinasabi ng Supreme Court natin. So again, sa pagka ngayon, hindi ko talaga masabi kung ano ang attachments doon sa complaint, no? But as soon as we see it, siguro, then we can get a better picture kung ano talaga yung laman ng impeachment complaint.